This is my biscuit and gravy bake, and I can't wait to show you how I made it. So keep watching. Hi everybody. Today's recipe is easy peasy, and of course it's cheesy, but you don't have to put cheese in yours. I'm making a biscuit and gravy bake. So in here, I have 2 of these cans of pre-made biscuits, and these come with 8 in them. And so I have the 2 cans in here, and each biscuit I cut into about 6 to 8 pieces. And then next I made up some gravy, and I had some leftover breakfast sausage. So I'm gonna spoon that over here. All right, make sure we get all that gravy. And then right now I'm gonna try to stir it in a little bit and get it in all those biscuits. And cover up all of them. There we go. Put it in. All right, and then next I have some bell pepper. I have the yellow, red, and orange, and then bits of jalapeno. And so I'm gonna sprinkle those on top. Well, that jalapeno got away. Hope the dogs don't find that one. And then I've got some pre-chopped onions. Put those on top too. And then I'm gonna give it a little stir. Just a little to kind of get those in there. It's kind of messy. And then for the cheese, I'm just gonna put it on top. And here I have mild cheddar, and then I had a little bit of leftover pepper jack. So I'm just gonna put these on top. All right, now that it's really covered in cheese, I've got my oven preheated to 350, and so I will get it in the oven. My biscuit and gravy bake is ready, and since I put a lot of stuff on it, I let it stay in the oven for almost an hour. And be careful if you make this, because I did put a little bit too much on it, and so when I went to take it out of the oven, it was trying to boil over a little bit, but I caught it. So now I'm ready for my bite. It looks so good, and there's, let me see, I think this is the perfect bite right here. Got a little bit of everything, and it's ready for my fork. Well, that was easy. Mm. That's amazing. Wow, I hope you make that.